will be on the other side. So C. D, is it possible? No. Because here, if you put it over here, the point, the front end, the front of this square should point in the towards the mirror. So it is pointing towards the mirror in C only. So C is the answer. See here, practice is the only solution to this. Okay. Check our written material section. There are many problems and questions of this type over there. Next, a transparent sheet X this is folded with a pattern and a dotted line is given. Select the figure from the option as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet X is folded along the dotted line. Means what? See, this is the sheet and we fold this on this line. So how will it appear? See, this black circle will superimpose on this within this middle, this big circle. This line will superimpose over here, and this smaller circle will again superimpose in on this triangle, right? So B and C not possible. Why B is not possible? See here, this triangle is facing downwards, here it is facing upwards, so gone. C is not possible because this line is touching these two black circles, means in the center of these two black circles. Here it's not in the center of these two black circles, so C is also gone. So only A satisfies this solution, this answer. So A is the answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.